Welcome to Cooking with Bai. I'm going to teach you how to fry steak. How to fry salmon. Heat to maximum. Then when it's hot, drop the salmon. Okay, and then now you should lower the heat to medium and then let it cook for the next 8 minutes. Okay, now you need to observe the sound of the oil. If the sound of the oil is very loud, meaning still cooking. How do you know that it's already cooked? The sound of the oil is going to lower down. Okay? Around 7 to 8 minutes, you should sleep. So we're going to flip now the salmon slowly so it stick in the fry pan. As you can see, it's just exact. You can see the color of the fish. Okay. Now we need to cook for the next 8 minutes again, the other side. So as you can hear, the oil is going to be very loud again, and then it's going to slowly. After 8 minutes, the salmon should be cooked now. Okay. That's how simple and easy to fry salmon. Bye. Thank you for watching. You should have more cooking show coming soon. Thank you and shout out to all the viewers.